Hello everyone, welcome again. Today I am going to show you what is the operators in C sharp. An operator is a symbol that tells the compiler to perform the mathematical operation. Any mathematical operation, any logical operations we require the operators. Okay. So we in the C sharp we have the multiple operators. First is arithmetic operators. Second one is the relational operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, assignment operators, and some other miscellaneous operators we will discuss in detail. Okay. So let's. I'm not going to show any read any definition and all. I will go to show you the real scenario in the Visual Studio Code and how the operators will be used. Okay. Let's open the Visual Studio. Yeah. Our first is the arithmetic operators. What are all the arithmetic operators? We have the multiple arithmetic operators. First is the to adds the value. Suppose we have the variable x and y, right? X value is 10, y is 4, and I want to add. Then this symbol plus. This is the plus symbol to add the variables like most of us know the in mathematical also we use the plus to add. In the C sharp also the symbol is plus. To subtract we have the symbol minus, same as the mathematical operator. To multiply we have this symbol, something in the keyboard you type this star something, this is the multiplication. For division we use the this symbol, this one. Okay. And what are the for module? Use the ampersand. Ampersand is for module. Modulo operator, you are saying the ampersand is the modulo operators. What do the modulo operators do? Modulo operators and reminder of after an integer division. After the division, what are the reminders? It's called the modulos. Incremental operators, suppose we use the plus plus, it will increase a value 1, and minus minus, it will decrease the value by 1. So these are the arithmetical operators we have. Let's repeat once again. To add, use the plus. To subtract, minus. To multiply, this symbol. For divide, this symbol. To get the reminders, modulos, ampersand. Suppose I want any condition, I want to increment 1, just plus plus, and I want to decrement the value, just minus minus. And I already shown in the previous videos, console.write line is used to write the values. Okay. And today I want to show, suppose I want to debug it, just click here, it's called the breakpoint. Okay, you can see the red symbol here, it's the breakpoint. And let's call this method in the program.cs. I just call this method, this is the class name and this is the method name. I am calling operators dot this method. Let's run the program and let's compare the output. Yeah, the program, you can see I added the breakpoint, then it's reach here, and one by one we will go. You can see x equal to 10. So what should be the value of add 10 plus 4? 14. You can see here 14. Similarly, one by one we will do, and it will print here. Just click continue again. So this is the result. Let's compare the result. 10 plus 4 14, 10 minus 4 6, 10 into 4 40, 10 divide 4 2. It will does not take the remainder because it is the division integer, not taking the remainder decimal value. Okay, because both are the integer. And modulo 2 x plus plus, you can see here. Okay, so this is the arithmetic operators you can find. Yeah, let me explain one more important thing here in the increment operator. Okay, so you can see here, increment operator we can write two way. Suppose x value is 10, and I am writing x plus plus, and y is 4, I am writing plus plus y. So what is the basic difference? This is very important, guys. Be careful and listen this. X plus plus means it will first assign the x value to increment, and then it will increment by 1. It means, what will the value? Suppose x is equal to 10, then what will write in increment? It will write 10. Then it will increase the value. Here x will be 11. But in this way, if you write, the first it will increase, then assign. So what will the value of increment 2 here? 4 plus 1 5, and y value is also 5. Okay. I just commenting everything, and I will show you what I am saying. You can see here. Let's compare the result. You can see here. First is the increment value. It is 10 because we write the x plus plus. X plus plus means what will assign the value of x, then it will increment, and x value will be the 11. Next, plus plus y means first it will increment, then assign. Okay, that is very important thing in this assignment operator. Next operator, I will going to show you the relational operator. So what is the relational operator? Relational operator means, suppose I want to compare the two things, then we have to use the relational operator. What are the all relational operator? First relational operator is double equal. What is the double equal means? It will check the two values are equal or not. Relational operator always return the value boolean, either true or false. So if we want to compare the two values equal or not, then you will use the double equal here. Okay. If I want to check the, the value of equal or not, then not equal. If greater we want to check, then greater. If you want to check the value is less, then less operator. Greater than equal, less than equal. So this is the 6 relational operators generally we are using in the coding practice. Let's see the details. Let's comment the arithmetic operators. I am calling the relational operators here. And suppose this is the a equal to 10, b equal to 4, and I am checking here the a greater than b. If a greater than b, then it will be the true. Okay, let's see the result and let's compare with our rules. Let's see here. A is 10, B is 4th, A greater than B means true. Okay, A 10, B 4, A equal to B is false. A not equal to B definitely is true. A less than B, no, it's false. A greater than equal to B, yes, it's greater than. A less than equal to B, no, it is false. Okay, so this is the relational operator to compare the two values, and result will be always the boolean. Okay, guys, if you guys any confusion, then you can add the comment, or if you want any project, I will share you. Next is our logical operators. What are the logical operators? Let's coming to the operators and let's open the logical operators. What is the logical operators? The C-sharp logical operators combining the two Boolean expression. Okay. These operators are useful. Suppose we want the multiple condition to check. Okay. Suppose you want to check the two conditions, A greater than B or B greater than C, this type of condition, then you have to use the logical operators. So we have three logical operators: double ampersand, that is called AND operator, this symbol is called OR operator, and this is the reverse. If you want reverse the result, then you have to use this symbol. Let's understand the first AND operator. What is AND operators? If there are two conditions x and y, if x and y both are true, then AND will be the true. If any both true, it should be both true, then it will be true. Or operator, if any of the true, then it will be the true. And this one just reverse the result. Let's see, let's me run it and see the result. Let's see here. You can see here x equal to true, y equal to false. The x and y, what should be? It should be false, because both, if both will be true, then it will be true. It is false, correct? X or y, x is equal to true, y equal to false, it should be true, because any of the is true, then it will be true. X equal to true, then it reverse will be the false. So this is the logical operators. Yeah, that's all for in this video, and in the next video I will show you two more operators like the assignment operators, bitwise operators, and some miscellaneous operators in my next video. Hope you guys are liking my video. Thanks. Yeah, thank you for watching the video, and if you have any question, then give me the comment. I will reply as soon as possible. And if you like my video, then please like and subscribe. Thank you.